Yeah. Maybe we should do Robo and Burger. Got it?
Stick it out. Come on, it's Robo and Burger. They're like the same size, the same color. They're kind of interchangeable almost.
I was just going to say.
Yesterday, Burger was doing his best Robo imitation. I walked in the barn.
Love the poster. Very nice.
Where'd you put
Let's
Burger?
relax and sit. Relax and sitting.
Where'd you put Burger in Robo's stall when he was cleaning? Well, no,
Because he was cleaning.
yeah, because he was cleaning, and so we were using, the cross ties. So I walked in, and Burger's just sitting there like, and I looked, I'm like, hey, you're not Robo, because Robo's in the arena. It threw me for a minute. He's just like,
Getting much better with that relaxed hip. Back to posting. And let's do a lap of our jump position this direction. Nice and steady. Really bend your ankle and get that weight down in your heel. Now, while you're filming, film the right foot so she can see how far up that one is. The left one she's really good with. The right one is really hard. You gotta bend that ankle more. And the heel's actually coming up. And back to posting. Now, can you feel when you do that jump position that especially the right heel is way up? You got to get that right heel down and underneath of us a little bit more. This time around, let's go over the trot poles, outside, outside. Trot poles over. They're invisible, just like they're not even there. We're going to post over them like they're invisible. Great. Steady and even. Close those fingers. Uh-oh, we missed these. Got to get both sides. Let's go around and catch these again. Push that right heel down. There you go. And you came right up on the correct diagonal. That's excellent. Eyes up, look straight ahead, close your fingers. Good. Right down the middle, and around to the outside again.